effective communication. Communication is not about just speaking. It's all about listening carefully to others and expressing our thoughts. And moreover, it's important in everyday life and it's important for all. Importantly, communication is not just about what we say. It's all about how we say it. Communication helps us to build the teamwork, helps us to build the relationship. So overall, communication is about how we express our thoughts to us. Thank you.
Public speaking helps us to convey our thoughts clearly, and you can express your thoughts very easily. If you are a public speaker, you can influence the people easily. And public speaker always seems better than others. They perform well, they will deliver it everything well. You can influence them easily.
Social media is good or bad. If we take it in good way, social media is good. Learning new things, learning news, and watching the craft and the arts activity. If you are often scrolling that mobile phone, it will affect our eyes, our sleeping, and then that cyberbullying also, it demerits for social media. And then one more, PUBG game also affect our social media. So social media is good or bad, how we use it wisely. Thank you.
Public speaking skills helps you share your ideas very clearly. It helps you bring self-confidence, and it also helps you to build your career in a very better way. The teacher whom you have spoken with, the teachers who has inspired you in your life, the people, the great leaders whom you have admired, they all have a very good public speaking skill. And the closest friend of yours who understands your feelings, they all also have a capability of understanding it is only because of your communication skill. So I would strongly say that the public speaking skill is very, very important, and it is very effective only when you speak, only when you transfer your information, and it also helps you to develop your career, and it brings in a lot of self-confidence in you.
Communication is a powerful tool to express our thoughts, feelings, ideas, and information to others. It also expresses our clearly and understand others better. It helps us improve teamwork as well as the cooperation. Not only that, we can able to build good relationship and also confidence, trust. With this, we can perform well in our studies as well as in work. Good communication is not about just speaking. It's about listening and using right words at right time. Not only using right words at right time, it is important, and even though when we speak, we have to maintain a eye contact with others, with everyone.
Effective communication. Ingredients enhance the taste of the food when we are cooking. Like that, when we communicate with others, we need to add appropriate words to enhance our speech, right? So then only it will be reaches the audience. When we are communicating others, the correct words, information, and it will be give the clarity to the audience.
Importance of public speaking. You know the feeling right before when you have to speak in front of people. Your heart racing, your palms sweating, adrenaline rushing up, and your mind being blocked. Yes, we all have been in this situation at least once in our life, isn't it? How to overcome it? Public speaking isn't about just speaking fearlessly. It's about creating an impact. What you deliver fearlessly, it's not important. What impact are you creating upon the people whom you are delivering the speech? That only matters. Public speaking is not a talent people are born with. Public speaking is just a skill which can be improved when we work on it.
Effective communication is needed for every person in a life, because want to convey our ideas to somebody, it is necessary that we ought to be a good communicator. If we misuse the word, we will be in conflict or in some confusion, and sometimes we have to ask apology to somebody. When we have right word in the right place, and we can attract the listeners, and we will be a happy and peaceful person in this world. Effective communication makes many relationships, and it will make your life a greater place. And not only that, if you communicate very effectively, you'll have passive listeners, and what you want them to do, you can make it. As a teacher, I have been made this communication with many children.
I'm sure every one of you love to become a public speaker. Yes, the main thing to be a public speaker is, first one, you must have a clear thought of what you're going to convey. And the other thing is, your tonality. Your tonality should be right. It should not be louder, it should not be soft. It should be equal. It must depends on the person, or the how many students or how many listeners are there. Here you are the person who is going to give some ideas. Okay, they are just the receivers.
Social media is good and bad. As a teacher, we are getting complaint from the parents that how to control the children because of using mobile. Using mobile, they are addicted to the games. Instead of that, we can give the outdoor activities like walking, dancing, writing skills, drawing class, role play, drama. Instead of that, all the parents should have parent controller because they are addicted to the mobiles.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games. Activities and exercises. Teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills, which help them become number one in studies and number one in life.